Charles Boggs of Boggs Services. It's an old pair of cutters that I've picked up somewhere at a yard sale or junk pile or something. They're still in good shape, and I've got a project I'm doing that I need something to cut some brad nails off that are sticking through. And I thought I'd make a little video right here. You can customize your tools. These things have a lip right there, so whenever you go to cut, it's going to be, if you're going to cut a little brad nail, it's going to stick out 1/8 of an inch or almost. But you can take and close these up and grind it down. Don't get it hot because it'll take the temper out of it. But grind it gently and take your time, and you can cut, like this end here will cut flush now. I'm going to go ahead and do the whole thing because I want my side cutters to cut flush. And just taking, you can't do this with a file. You'll need some sort of grinder, or you can use a cement block or whatever. I've got grinders. I collect tools. You need tools if you're going to be doing something. So just understand that. And you can get them at yard sales or wherever. I probably got $10 in this big old grinder here. Anyway, just get your angle right and just gently. Just got to make sure that the grinder hits the entire surface, and then you just gently rock it back and forth till you get it like you want it. It's getting there. You can, people don't realize that you can customize your own tools. Sometimes you can get a used or cheap tool and make it just as good or better than a new expensive tool. Make sure you don't get it hot. Because a lot of times the expensive tool, all it is they just made the side cutter cut closer, or whatever it is. They made the pry bar better, tighter, with to pick up a little smaller nail. When all you got to do is just do a little grinding. You're going to be doing this kind of stuff. It's good to keep you a cup of water, good sized cup of water, maybe shallow, right close to your grinder so you keep stuff from losing its temper. A little different than us losing our temper. A little bit warmer than I wanted to get it. Anyway, now those pliers, those cutters, will cut real close. Maybe I can show you what I'm doing. Make the video go a little bit longer. This is, and try not to let your shop get in such a mess. It's hard to do anything. All right. This is our kitchen, and it's all wood stuff, and we got the, I think it's called wainscoting. I'm not sure, but it's like a It's got like a crown groove in it. And I do a lot of work for other people. I ended up with the same material a buddy of mine was taking out of his house. And I took and made some shelves for my wife to put her plates on. She's got a collection of plates. See, it's all the same color. I've oiled it. I got to oil the rest of the cabinets because it's done that. It's rusty, shiny. But anyway, I collect everything. This stuff can go up here on the shelves as well. But I use brad nails to put this stuff down. See the little brad nail there? And it missed. When they do that, you don't want to just go try to beating on them. It's in a place where it's hard to get to. Get you out of the way here. Okay. Alright. Now, I'm taking these pliers that I ground on, and I've made them so that I can get up in there real tight. And cut the nail off, and it's flush. It's right at it. Now I think there was two. Yeah, there's another one over here. There it is. Get up in there. Let's see. Okay, there it is. And it's gone. Alright. Anyway, just a short little vlog or whatever. Short little video. So you can customize your own tools. I may show some other ones. Now these things were real rusty. And I have a wire brush on the other end of that grinder. You can find those things at yard sales sometimes, the grinders, for like $5 or $10. So look at yard sales for your tools if you don't have much money. Or if you do have much money. I love going to yard sales and finding all kind of stuff. Anyway, it's Charles Boggs. Thank you.